Is your Windows 11 search bar completely unresponsive? No matter what you type, nothing shows up? Don't worry, this fix is super easy. In this video, I will walk you through 3 simple steps to fix the Windows 11 Start menu search bar when it's not working at all. Follow these steps in the correct order and you will have it working in just a few minutes. So let's fix it. So first, press Windows plus R and type this command msdt.exe space -ep space Windows help space id space search diagnostic and then press enter. This will launch the search and indexing troubleshooter. Now click next. A new window will appear. Now select the issues you are facing, like files, folders, apps or settings don't appear in search results, or search results or indexing is slow. Then click next. Now here describe your problem and click next. Since there is no issue with the search index on my system, it shows the message troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. But in your case, it should show a successful result if a problem is found and fixed. Open the run box again by pressing Windows plus R. Type services.msc and then press enter. Scroll down and find Windows Search. Now right click it and select Restart. If it's not running, just click Start. Now you will need to manually restart and reset the Windows Search service using CMD. So first open command prompt as an administrator. So press Windows plus R and type CMD. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter simultaneously to open CMD as an administrator. Now type the commands mentioned in the description box below. If the service doesn't restart properly or you don't see a success message, then use the next commands to delete existing index and force a rebuild. So type the command. This will remove the current index database and automatically create a fresh one, helping you fix search issues completely. After that, restart your PC. And that's it. Your Windows 11 search bar should be back to normal now. If it helped, then drop a quick comment. I would love to know if it worked for you. So if this tutorial helpful for you, then please hit that like, share and subscribe our channel for more quick tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.